Hello, Sage here. You're watching 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV live from Sydney, and this is the Stocks in Action show. In today's show, we'll take a look at the latest updates from the banking services provider BNK Banking, Australian multinational contractor 𝐊𝐚𝐥𝐤𝐢𝐧𝐞, and natural gas infrastructure company APA Group. We'll also cover media software service and technology platforms provider AD1 and global toll road operator Atlas Arteria. So stay tuned. Firstly, shares of banking services provider BNK Banking shares were trading up on Tuesday as the company announced that it is undertaking a strategic review of the company with an aim to further maximise BNK shareholder value. This was after the receipt of several unsolicited approaches from interested parties. The review will include an evaluation of all strategic options available to BNK to unlock and enhance further value for BNK shareholders. There is no assurance that the board will decide on pursuing any transaction because of this review, but BNK will continue to keep shareholders informed in accordance with BNK's continuous disclosure obligations. No action is currently required by BNK shareholders, said the announcement. And BNK's chairman, Don Koch, said in the announcement that as evidenced by its recent financial year 2021 results, BNK is well positioned to continue delivering on its strong organic growth path, and this review will consider all options to enhance that growth trajectory. Gresham and Mills Oakley have been engaged as financial and legal advisors respectively to assist with the review process. And moving on to the next news that covers 𝐊𝐚𝐥, which is an Australian multinational contractor. Australian multinational contractor 𝐊𝐚𝐥's shares were down on Tuesday after the company announced that CPB Contractors has been selected in a joint venture as the partner to work with the Australian Rail Track Corporation for the delivery of Inland Rail's Southern Civil Works program. The Australian Government's Australian Rail Track Corporation has selected the ACA-CPB joint venture. It is a 50-50 joint venture formed by CPB Contractors and ACCIONA Construction Australia. The joint venture has been formed under a collaborative framework agreement for the planning and development of civil works between Narrabri and Narromine in northern New South Wales. Revenue to CPB Contractors will be confirmed after the execution of the design and construct works contracts following the CFA phase. And 𝐊𝐚𝐥 Group Executive Chairman and Chief Executive Officer Juan Santamaria said that the inland rail is crucial for Australia's growing population, providing a fast freight link between regional businesses and markets. The company is proud to contribute to this significant project, creating an asset for generations to come, cost-effectively, safely and collaboratively. And CPB Contractors Managing Director Jason Spears also commented that CPB Contractors will use its extensive regional experience to ensure that opportunities for local suppliers are maximised and that jobs for local workers are created. They are delivering major rail projects across Australia and will work closely with the ARTC to ensure that these works are delivered to schedule. The civil works involved include approximately 306 kilometres of new track formation, comprising bulk earthworks, drainage, bridge or viaduct structures, materials and logistics management. And we'll just take a small break now, but please stay tuned on 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV. Property by 𝐊𝐶𝐞. Looking for a dream home? Well, that may sound easy, but it isn't. And from looking for a property that is the right fit for you in terms of cost and other factors, to zeroing down on the right mortgage plan, there are various aspects to consider. And for the latest lowdown on the property market, tune in on 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV with me, Sage. I will give the latest updates on the property market as well as real estate stocks to help you make the right decision. Keep watching Property with 𝐊𝐶𝐞. Hello and welcome back. Sage here from 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV, live from the Sydney studio. And the next big news comes in from APA Group, which is a natural gas infrastructure company. Shares of APA Group were trading down on Tuesday post the company proposed to fully acquire the energy company AusNet Services for $2.60 Australian per share in cash and scrip. The deal is valued at 9.9 billion Australian dollars. Natural gas infrastructure company APA Group trumped Brookfield Asset Management's $7 billion bid for AusNet Services. Australia is witnessing an unprecedented volume of mergers and acquisitions, and Sydney-based APA made a non-binding indicative proposal of $2.60 Australian a share, the company said Tuesday in a statement. AusNet, which owns Australian power transmission and distribution assets, on Monday said it received an offer of $2.50 Australian a share from Brookfield and said it would negotiate on an exclusive basis. And APA noted the announcement from AusNet yesterday of an indicative, non-binding and highly conditional proposal made by Brookfield Asset Management. APA also commented that it is disappointed that AusNet has purported to enter into a period of exclusivity with Brookfield for effectively 8 weeks. APA approached AusNet on September 1st with a proposal of $2.32 Australian a share, and that it had discussed the original proposal with the State Grid Corp of China, AusNet's second largest holder. APA said it alerted AusNet on September 16th that it intended to make a revised offer. And shares of media software service and technology platforms provider AD1 were trading flat on Tuesday as the company shared that it had signed a contract with the Australian Department of Defence to pilot a department-wide mentoring program delivered by Art of Mentoring. The contract is valued at over 130,000 Australian dollars for the 12 months. And this is in addition to 2 other contracts Art of Mentoring has with the Department of Defence. Moreover, the announcement revealed that AOM has signed 21 new clients in the last 12 months, and AOM being the Art of Mentoring. 7 of them since just the beginning of the new financial year. And AD1 CEO Brendan Kavanagh said that this contract further solidifies Art of Mentoring's outstanding growth performance over the last 12 months and firmly positions AOM as a preferred provider to federal, state and local governments for mentoring software and services. And AOM has signed 21 new clients in the last 12 months, 7 of them since just the start of the new financial year. And with this kind of growth acceleration, the company is expecting an exciting future for the company acquired just a year ago. And the last news to be discussed in this session covers Atlas Arteria. Shares of the global toll road operator Atlas Arteria trading up on Tuesday after the company declared a dividend distribution of 15.5 cents per share. The dividend will be for 6 months ending 30th June 2021. The distribution is consistent with guidance provided by Atlas Arteria in its half-year results on the 26th August 2021, and the company has reported 71 million Australian dollars of statutory net profit in the half-year and comes majorly from its APPR and Warnow tunnels in Europe. Accordingly, the company has decided to keep the dividend unfranked, and the dividend shall be recorded on the 27th of September 2021 and paid off on the 5th of October 2021. And hopefully you enjoyed that report, and that is all for now for the Stocks in Action show, but keep watching 𝐊𝐴𝐚 TV for more trending market updates. Sage signing off.